Now, the Wabash Valley's most watched newscast continues with Storm Team 10 meteorologist Kevin Orbert, awarded the AMS Seal of Approval by the American Meteorological Society.
And hello, everybody. Well, we've got some wintry weather headed our way, and there is a winter weather advisory in effect beginning tonight at 7 o'clock Eastern Time, and it goes through tomorrow morning at about 10 a.m. And this is for the entire News 10 viewing area. Now, as I mentioned before, this is not going to be all of that snow and everything that you saw the pictures from out in Kansas and so on. But what we do have is some light precipitation moving in. Now, there's nothing showing up on the Storm Team Fury, but if I show you the clouds in the radar, you can see how this is moving in and crossing the Mississippi River now into the south central portion of Illinois. What this is light precipitation. The temperature today will hover right around 32, 33 degrees, right around and through there. And so with this kind of change in the temperature in the atmosphere, it could be rain, which if it falls on a cold surface could be freezing rain. It could fall as sleet, or it could fall as a little bit of snow. The temperatures are just right for that. It's 27 here in Terre Haute, 28 in Champaign. Mattoon has 25. Evansville has 31 degrees, 27 in Terre Haute. Paris 27, Casey 24, Mattoon 25, and Effingham 27 degrees. Well, we have the right wind direction. Wind from the east, 12 miles per hour in Terre Haute. Paris 15, Robinson 13, Vincennes 14. And so let's take a look at the Storm Team Futurecast to give you an idea about the timing of what to expect. If you have errands to run over the next couple of hours, I think you're going to be okay. But let's watch how this comes along through here. Here's 4 o'clock this afternoon. And I think that some of our viewers over there in Illinois, some of you watching in, for example, Greenup in Cumberland County, perhaps down in Olney or Lawrenceville, you may start to get some light precipitation as we get into the middle part of the afternoon. The rest of us a little bit later this afternoon into the early part of the evening. Here's midnight tonight, and we have some sleet, freezing rain, or snow falling, once again depending on how the temperature goes along. The most important thing I can tell you at this point is that we've had worse across the area, and the thing you need to do is just keep in mind that you should drive carefully if you're going to be driving through the nighttime hours tonight. Take a phone with you, make sure you have enough gas, all of those things we talk about. And here's what's interesting. As we get into tomorrow, the temperature actually rises a little bit, so that we'll have a little bit of rain as we get into tomorrow morning. So the frozen precipitation through the nighttime tonight into the very first part of the day tomorrow, then it warms up, and then we have a little rain tomorrow morning as the temperature gets up to about 42 degrees. And the precipitation then moves out of here as we get into tomorrow late afternoon, into tomorrow night, and into Sunday. So a wintry mix from mid to late afternoon today, 33 degrees or so for the high, down to 29, snow, sleet, and freezing rain tonight, but a gusty east wind. Remember, bridges and overpasses, those are the places that get slicked the most. You know, this is sometimes more dangerous than a big foot of snow. And so then tomorrow morning, maybe some early morning rain and turning warmer, and the 7-day forecast then Saturday 35, Sunday 43, and then some rain toward the first part of the week. The one thing I want to emphasize, Brittany, is that the storm team is going to be here. You can check our website for any closings or delays and things like that. But we've gone through worse in our area. The thing about it is we could have this little glaze of frozen precipitation, and that's what makes travel a bit of a problem.
That's the scary, the dangerous part,
yeah,
because you don't see it, but it's there.
Right, and so we want to emphasize that it could make people a little overconfident in driving, and that's where we get in problems. And of course, Dave Wire will be here later this afternoon, and he'll keep you posted throughout the course of the afternoon.
Sounds good. Thank you so much, Kevin.